Hi guys. This is our second video, and this one will explain the technical details of our project, which is the Twitter Sentiment Analyzer. Our backend consists of an HTTP API built with Flask and Python 3, and our main endpoint accepts a search query as well as a date range. But we don't expose that date range option to the client because it's very expensive. Because we each query we get actually we then have to send almost 100 requests to the Twitter API to get all the tweets that we then analyze that we analyze in our backend. And if we don't control this, we will reach our rate limit quickly. So if the user selects a high date range, um, it will pretty much exhaust our Twitter rates pretty quick. So another way we're combating this is by using caching. So our results are cached in Redis for 10 minutes because of these expensive queries. So this will help us. First of all, it'll make our service a bit faster when we have a cache hit, and also it'll reduce the amount of requests we send to the Twitter API. Our front end consists of a single page application built with vanilla React with hooks and JavaScript. Charting library, we use Nivo.rocks, which is easy to use and popular high level charting library with good documentation and wide set of features. And we wanted minimalist and functional design to just display the data to our users and not much else. So we opted to not use a CSS framework or any component library to achieve this. Every single component inside the app we made ourselves. We deployed our app on mostly on free infrastructure as a service platforms. For our front end, we hosted that on AWS Amplify that we linked directly to our Git repo, and this allows us to access the global AWS CDN, which means that anyone from the world can access our site, and our front end will load, as fast as it it does here in the US. Our backend is deployed on Heroku in two parts. We have one service for our API server, and we have a managed Redis instance that holds our cache. And that's our technical details.